Hi, today I'm for the DOOGEE X95 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to create a new home screen folder, we should just hold the application and drag this up to this folder by this way. Just hold it and drag it. If you want to give a name and rename the folder, tap once on the name and enter the apps. For example, tap the home button and we can see that we just successfully give a name to our folder. If you want to move it here on the screen or between the screens, just hold it and drag it by this way. To remove the application from the folder, you should just hold it and drag it to your home screen. So as you can see, that's so simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe.